Good morning children. This is 4th class maths. Block 9 factors. In block 9 today our topic is S4 patterns in factors. Okay. I hope you all completed S1, S2, S3. Now today I am going to start. Before I'll ask one question children. How many factors does 36 have children? How many factors does 36 have? Okay, we'll find 36. 1 into 36. 1 is the factor of all number. Okay, next 2 is the factor of 36 children. Yes, 2 18s are. If you feel this is big number, by divide you can find out children. 2 1s are 2, 1 16, 2 8s are 16, remainder will get 0. So 2 is the factor of 16, 2 18s are 16. Now sorry children, 2 18s are 36. 3 is the factor of 36. Yes. 3 12s are 36. Next 4. Yes. 4 9s are 36. Next 5 is the factor of 36. No. 6 is the factor of 36. Yes. 6 6 are 36. Now 7. No children. 8. No. 9. Yes. 9 4s are 36. After 9, 10 will be not there. 11, no. 12, 3s are 36. 18, 2s are 36. 36, 1s are 36. Okay, what are the factor of 36? Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You have to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Already a 6 is there. 6 I written here. No need to write this 6. There is 9, 12, 18 and 36. Okay children. And here 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. Here these are called factor pairs. Okay, 1 into 36 is factor pairs. 2 into 18 is factor pairs. Pairs means 2. Okay children, pairs means 2. 3 into 12 is factor pair. 4 into 9 is factor pair. 6 into 6 is factor pair. Now what are the factors of 4, 12, 23 and 25 children? Okay, we will find the factors of 4. First 1 into 4. 1 4s are 4. Next 2 2s are 4. Next 3 will not go in the 4th table. No, 3 will not get. Then 4 1s are 4. Next factors of 12. 1 into 12. Next 2 6 are 12. 3 table it will go children. Yes. 3 4s are 12. Next 4 3s are 12. Next 5 it will go children. No. 6 is the factor of 12. Yes. 6 2s are 12. Next 7 is the factor of 12. 8 is the factor of 12. Next direct 12 is the factor of 12. Okay children. Next 23. What are the factors of 23? 1 23s are 23. Children, this 23 will not go in any table. Understand children? It will go only one table and same number 23 table. Okay children? 1 into 23. 1 23s are 23 and 23 1s are 23. Okay, next 25. So 1 25s are 25, 2 table it will go children? No. 3? No. 4 also? No. 5? Yes. 5 5s are 25. Next 25 ones are 25 ones are 25. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. Okay, next what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And 23 factors of 23 is 1 and 23. Next, what are the factors of 25? 1, 5, 25. Okay, these are the factors of 25. Now I am going to show you factor pairs with the help of figure. Okay, for example 4. What are the factors of 4? 1 4s are 2 2s are. Okay, first I will draw figure children here. First you see here, if we draw this type, it is called row. This is column. Okay, now 1 into 4. See, 1 into 4 here. One, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 4. That means one row. This is called one row and 4 columns, 4 boxes. 1 into 4. Row, column. So 1 into 4. Okay, next 2 into 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. Next, you have to draw next 4 into 1. 4 into 1. 1 into 4, it will comes like this. 4 into 1 is here 4 rows, 1 column. Understood children? 1 into 4 is 1 row, 4 columns. 2 into 2, 2 into 2. 2 rows, 2 columns, and 4 into 1 is 4 rows like this, 1 column. Okay, you will get this is shape is which type children shape is? This is a rectangular shape. These two are rectangular shape. This 2 into 2 you get this shape is square shape. So if you having any same numbers factor pairs, for example 2 2 you got 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, you get all figures same factor pairs, you get square shape. Others all you get rectangular shape. Okay children. Now second example 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 12s are 12. Okay, 2 6s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So first one 1 12s are. So first one row. How many columns? 12 columns. 12 columns. Okay, 12 columns. This is 1 12s are 12. Next 2 6s are 12. So 2 rows, 6 columns. 1 2 3 4 5 6 boxes. Next 3 4s are 3 rows, 4 columns. See, 1 2 3, 3 rows, 4 columns, 4 boxes. Next 4 3s are, 4 3s are. Here 4 3s are. 4 rows, 4 rows, 3 columns. 4 3s are 4 rows, 1 2 3 4 rows, 3 columns. Next 2 6 2s are. 6 rows, 2 columns. Next 12 ones up. 12 rows, 1 column. Like this you can draw, you have to draw different race children. This is rows. First you have to draw, take this is rows and this is columns. Next this is rows and this is the columns. Okay. Children, now I'll show. First I'll draw the figure, and with the help of figure how to write factor pair I'll show you. First I'll draw the figure. See this figure, this is the figure. How will write the factor pair children here? 2 rows. So you write here 2. How many columns here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 columns. So what are the factor pairs here? 2 and 7 are the factor pairs. Next again I draw the figure here. How will write the factor pair children here? 3. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. So what are the factor pairs? 3. 3 are the factor pairs of this figure. Okay. Take out your workbook, page number 8. First write date 13/9/2020. S4 patterns in factors. So first bit, write the factor pairs that each rectangle represents. Okay, A1 for one row. How many rows are there? One row. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 columns. So B1. How many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now C1. How many rows? 1, 2. 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns. Okay. Next D1. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now E bit. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 columns. So F, G, H I written here children all. Okay. Next here A1 you have to write the factor pairs here or in the boxes. A1, how many, which are the factor pairs? 1 and 7. Factor pairs of B are 2 and 6. Factor pairs of C is 2 and 5. Factor pairs of D is 4 and 4. Factor pairs of E is 4 and 7. Factor pairs of F are 4 and 6. Like this, we check it children, I written here. You also check once. Second one, what do you notice about the factor pairs in shapes and their rectangles? So A bit, B, C, L, M and S. These S. Okay. They have 2 rows. They have all 2 rows. This is 2 rows. C1 also 2 rows. And this also 2 rows. M1 2 rows. S also 2 rows. So they have 2 rows. So 2 is common factor. Here 2 is the common factor for these boxes. Now B, A and R. B bit is A and R. A1, and R. Here this is the R. So here they have only one row. This also one row. R also is having one row. They have one row. So 1 is common factor. Okay. Next C. D, E, F. D, E, F. D is having 4 rows and E is having 4 rows. F is also having 4 rows. So they have 4 rows. So 4 is common factor. Next D bit. H, I, N and P. H. H is having 4 rows. I is having 1, 2, 3, 8 rows and N is having 5 rows. P is having 5 rows. So 6 rows. They have 2 columns. They have all 2 columns. This also having 2 columns. This is also having 2 columns. H also having 2 columns. So they have 2 columns. 2 is a common factor. Okay. I hope you understood, children. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.